唔知你識唔識用英文表達係就好啦。廣東話嘅係就好啦，當然嘅意思係假如係某一個狀況，咁就會非常之好。如果我哋用係就好啦作為一個獨立嘅回應呢，咁英文有兩個好常見嘅表達方式嘅。第一個係我哋今日會講嘅 if only，if only。第二個係 I wish，I wish。Did you get the promotion? If only. Did the date go well? I wish。如果我哋想表達埋想實現嗰個狀況呢，我哋可以喺 if only 加一個完整句子。因為呢一個狀況係一個假設，所以喺文化角度呢，我哋英文會用一個過去式或者過去完成式去表達個句子嘅。同埋喺呢一種表達呢，雙方要有共識，究竟我哋想個結果係乜嘢嘢。If only I had 10 more minutes. If only I knew how to cook. If only we had met sooner. If only we had taken the MTR。最後我哋可以用頭先嗰啲句子，再加多一個句子去表達個結果會係乜嘢嘢。If only I had 10 more minutes, I would be able to finish the exam. If only I knew how to cook, I would prepare the anniversary dinner at home. If only we had met sooner, we could have been travel buddies all these years. If only we had taken the MTR, we wouldn't have been 30 minutes late. 考下大家，如果我就好啦。If only I 呢一句説話，你會用嚟表達啲咩呢？